Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Today, we are going to make a wall key holder. I always wanted one of these because when I come in, I will lay my keys down anywhere. Man, just got in the house. Just got in the house. And they need a home. But I don't want just any kind of boring looking key holder. I want a key holder that when you see it, it's gonna ask you, what made you make this? Or why did you make this? Or what is this? A conversational key holder. Brainstorming Troy here. For some reason, when I'm thinking about this key holder and the keys, I'm thinking about a house, but not just any house. A house that stands out. But what house would stand out and start a conversation?
12 o'clock midnight.
I got it. The pink trap house that 2 Chainz had a couple years ago in Atlanta. I didn't get to go to the actual house, but I did get to see the car in the Trap Museum in Atlanta some time ago. Okay, now we're in CorelDRAW. This is what I came up with. I basically just went on Google and I typed in pink trap house vectors. And I got inspiration from a lot of different houses on there. And this is what I came up with. As you can see, I'm going to use some pink acrylic, black acrylic, and green acrylic. Oh, and also some walnut for the wood planks right there. I think this is gonna be fire. And of course, I'm gonna use my Glowforge 3D laser printer. Okay, this is going to be the pink acrylic. It's going to cut out the outline in red and it's going to score everything in green inside. This is going to be the black acrylic right here. I'm going to cut out all of these individually and glue them on top of it. So it's going to have 2 layers. This is going to be the green. As you can see, I got these little square boxes inside of it because that's where the little holder mounts that I got off of Amazon is going to go. I'm going to just stick them right on so the keys will have somewhere to hang on. And this is the maker sign. As you can see, it got a white outline going around it. So I'm going to cut that out in white and I'm going to cut out the letters individually in black. And I'm going to inlay them inside of it so you can see it better like it is at the top of the house. I want to be able to see the maker. So this is basically going to be the maker pink house key holder. Okay, we got everything cut out. As you can see, it's all black. I ended up taking it outside. I took the masking paper off of the part that I want to be black, and I just used some spray paint and I spray painted the entire thing black, but it still has masking paper on it. So when I take that masking paper off, it's gonna have pink. And also, I didn't mention how I was gonna stick it to the wall. I'm gonna use some command strips. That's what I'm gonna use to stick it to the wall. And this part right here, as you can see, it's like a little puzzle. So basically it's gonna go like this, and I'm going to turn it over on the opposite side, like so. I'm gonna take the masking paper off, and I'm going to take this right here that I just cut out, and it has like, it got the line in the middle where it connects. So I'm gonna stick it like right there in the center, and I'm going to use some acrylic solvent, and I'm just going to line it all the way across right there. And that's how I'm gonna stick this together. And I'm gonna put this one at the top somewhere like that. And this is what I'm gonna connect the command strips to hang it on the wall. Now, let's take the masking paper off. Now, we let it dry. I'm gonna have to say, this is one of my favorite projects I have done thus far. I really like how it turned out. I mean, it looks exactly like my design, which I knew it was, but it looks exactly like it. Colors, everything, exactly like I imagined it. My bougie keys now have a home of its own. If this project inspired you in any kind of way, drop me a comment below. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next project. Let's go make something else.